I think it's filming. Yep, it's filming.
The bearded woman. What is she doing to me?
Look, it's Alan.
Hi. Thank you for chat.
Gabriella.
Camera?
Yeah.
Okay, my name's Lauren, and hello everybody. I'm Paula. My name is. Anyway, I'm gonna show you our band because they're awesome. It's Gwen. This is Gwen. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. This is Gwen. She's cool, and that's Paul behind her. Hey, Paul, what's going on? And this is Trevor. Say hey, Trevor. And this is what's your name again? Oh yeah, Alex. Just kidding. JK, that's Alex, and he's cool. I like to screw with Alex. It's fun to screw with.
It's Jose.
Hiya.
Do it again, do it again.
Aaron? I don't think we can put this on YouTube.
My grandma really liked the show. She texted
About 45 minutes bucks in there.
There's Jeff. He's being all loner.
Jeff gets more being alone when he's rehearsing.
He's the real Moritz of the cast. Oh yeah.
Jeff is method.
This is our changing room, even though we've seen this a million times. And it's me! This is my other costume, sitting there, just waiting to be put on.
Is that the makeup?
This is the, yeah, makeup is, yes, they're painful and awesome. This is my costume that I took off that I didn't hang up yet. Awesome, I should probably do that. Christian, why don't you take your camera so I can hang up my costume?
Okay, let's film Lauren hanging up her costume. What an adventure.
I was kind of like hoping you would go away.
We're cheap as hell. I mean, it's. I know.
You want to show the camera what you bought?
It's 10 times more expensive.
Show the camera what you bought, Brittany.
No, that's I got an energy drink.
Damn.
We got Jolly Rancher Chewy Ball thingy.
The chews, okay.
Corn nuts, ranch flavored.
Alright, come on, go faster.
And then double apple stars.
It looks good. There's 3 in the pack though, right?
Oh my god, yeah. Wait, buy 2, get 3.
Oh, look at it.
That was me. I burp a lot.
You too.
Not in Jeff's mouth. At least not tonight. There's still one more show.
I had the burps during Act 1.
I think Percy just did that too.
Aaron, we did. Jose and I decided that Marta was gonna grow up to be a dominatrix.
Or I was thinking that she hired Hanchu to rape her father.
Oh, yeah. Father raping. It's in
Everybody's doing it.
Let's go. How much time do we have before the show starts again? Okay, I'm not gonna show that.
Oh my god. This is 5.
Bad things are happening over here, YouTube. We'd have to make our videos rated R. I'm not. They probably should be anyway.
Okay, we're
It's what?
and I believe.
Is that what we look like? Is that what we look like?
During dark, I know we're all just doing the creepy thing around to the right, and I go. Come on, Marta. I took her nose. She lost it. I beat her. Come on, Marta.
Yeah. Stephanie looking lovely.
I want another one.
Andrea, she cleans her hands.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
Oh, sanitary.
Do that.
Yes, I do. Occasionally. Wounded. Just think about being wounded.
Just too unreal, all this.
I'm gonna be wounded. Oh, I'm gonna be your wound. I'm gonna bruise you. Oh, I'm gonna be your bruise.
It's a total boob grab there.